Hi, in this video we're going to change out the tail light, brake light, the turn signal, and the backup light in the 2011 Honda Accord. And first up is the bottom panel. One panel fastener you have to pry out. There are two plastic covers where the trunk meets the bumper that you need to pull out. Grab this larger cover underneath and just pull it straight up. And in this video we're going to show the right rear only. We're not going to do the other side. There's 4 panel fasteners. A couple of them are 2-piece ones. Those 2 upper ones that look like they have a screw in them, which is kind of a screw. You can pry this centerpiece, screw I'm going to call it, out, but you're better off just turning it out. That's what it's designed for. Now there's just 2 of the traditional one-piece pry-out types. I put a thumb on it so it doesn't go flying like that one did, and went under the spare tire, of course.
If you want to keep it from flying, you're going to have to put your finger on it.
If you think you're just going to easily pull this whole thing out, this whole molded piece out, yeah, think again. We're just going to move it off to the side so that we can work on these bulbs. And I just bungee corded it over here so it doesn't snap back and knock me upside the head. Once we take those covers out, there the 3 of them are. Really rather easy to access. Bulb 7443. Bulb WY21. Bulb 7440. The tail lamp or running lamp. Checking out the turn signal. With the ignition on, slip into reverse on a flat surface or use your parking brake. The backup light.
Okay, now hit the brake.
And both filaments are lighting up. And one more thing, the high brake light at the base of the back window. Right now I'm pumping the brakes. Nothing's happening. Looks like it's burned out. And this one's easy. You don't need to take anything out to get at it. There it is. Just twist it and take it out. Yeah, you can tell that's bad. See how smoky it is? It's also a 7440. So we picked up some new ones. I'm going to christen this one the easiest bulb of all to change out, at least on the back end. And that'll be that. Okay, now let's quickly reassemble the liners and the various little plastic covers and such. So before you snap this one down into place, make sure you've got that little finger in its intended slot there. Slip it in there and then just kind of punch it down. The previous owner kind of dinged this little cover up, so that's why I have to use a screwdriver to kind of make it line up. Thanks for watching. I just picked up this Accord, so there's going to be more videos to come. Backup camera, and more. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.